Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make truffles with condensed milk full guide. Start by gathering chocolate, condensed milk, butter, and any flavorings, then prepare a clean workspace and small baking tray lined with parchment. Melt chocolate gently, stir in condensed milk and butter until smooth, add your chosen flavors, chill the mixture until firm, and prepare coatings and garnishes for rolling. In this section, I will explain mixing and flavoring the truffle base. Use a double boiler or low heat and add chopped chocolate to warm condensed milk a little at a time for a smooth ganache. Fold in softened butter and chosen extracts or zest, taste for balance, then scrape into a tray and chill until scoopable for shaping and coating. In this break, I will review a quick recommendation that pairs well with truffle making. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes on the go and keeping counters clutter-free, and it makes a great gift for home bakers. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I will help you shape and finish the truffles like a pro. Work with chilled ganache so it rolls easily, keep hands cool by dipping in cold water, and use a scooping tool for consistent size. After rolling, quickly coat each truffle in cocoa powder, nuts, or tempered chocolate, then rest them to set before serving or storing in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.